So for today's video, we are going to be talking about the summer essentials that will take you through this lockdown and this crazy hot summer weather. I have like all these different sorts of essentials, may that be in terms of makeup essentials, skincare essentials, hair care essentials. I have a few tips and tricks right here. Without further ado, if you're someone that's interested in what products am I talking about, then definitely keep on watching. If this is the first time that you're seeing me, hi, I'm PKB. What's up? Welcome to my channel. You are going to be extremely happy seeing the videos because they're very relatable, very common girl issues, common girl things that you face is what I face as well, and I'm going to be extremely candid, very honest and relatable, and that's what you're going to see on my channel. I'm never going to promote or talk about a brand that I don't believe in or that I don't like, so you can be carefree with that. And if you like what you see by the end of this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell right next to it so that you get updated every single time I upload a video. Now, without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. The most important thing you need for this summer is a good moisturizer which is not sticky. So I am someone who's combination skin. I switch my moisturizers on basis of how my skin is reacting. Basically मौसम के हिसाब से मैं अपना moisturizer change करती रहती हूँ. And now I think I've spoken about this moisturizer पहले भी, but this is the Nutriderm moisturizing lotion which has vitamin E. Now it is safe to say that I am in love with the product. So its consistency is like this. This is how its consistency is, but ye literally it's water like, you know, like those products that literally melt in your skin and give you a very water like effect. They're not sticky, they're very hydrating and very nourishing. This is something like that. It's enriched with vitamin E, and I think it's perfect for summers because this will not make you feel sweaty after you apply this on your face. You know what I'm trying to say? Because you want something which will keep your skin moisturized and hydrated, and at the same time it won't make you sweat. So this product is absolutely gorgeous for that. So that's the first product I want to talk to you about. The next product I have is from Plum. Now this is again for your face. So this is called as the Plum's Candy Melt. So it's vegan lip balm which is in Red Velvet Love fragrance. Now it's so delicious. So this product, basically it's a beautiful lip balm. Now this is a little tinted, so it does a very good job. So रात को if you feel that your lips are chapped, because ये पूरे season में अभी वापस lockdown हो गया, तो you have to wear masks, and to take care from the masks you need to put liquid lipsticks. But when you remove the liquid lipsticks, your lips are so chapped by the end of the day. That is what happens to me because I don't put bullet lipsticks or creamy lipsticks during the pandemic, because lockdown फिर वो mask पहनते सब कुछ transfer हो जाता है, which I don't like. So I'm putting liquid lipsticks and it stays through the whole day, but then by the end of the day when I remove it, my lips are like so dry. They're like, please hydrate me, and this is what comes to the rescue. I love this product. It's a little tinted. It's very hydrating. It smells delicious. It literally smells like red velvet, and I love that it has a tint to it. So this lip balm, it's very rich in cocoa butter and shea butter, which will take care of your chapped lips and make sure that they're hydrated and juicy as always. So it contains like plant-based oils like olive oil, which will make your lips feel very soft and very supple. This is completely natural, like it's full of natural plant-based flavors that make this such a yummy little jar of goodness for your lips. It's 100% vegan, paraben free and cruelty free as always. The first one we have is called as Berry Blast. It is a beautiful purple colored tinted lip balm. It's very nice, very pigmented. The second one we have is Red Velvet, and it's one of my favorites from this entire range. It's very nice pinkish reddish color, and the last one is called as Melon Blast, and it's not so tinted. It's on a pinkier, glossier, transparent side, but it's really hydrating, and I absolutely love how it feels on my lips. One thing I love about this, that it gives you protection against your lips, because lips also get tanned, if you didn't know about that. So this will help you from sun protection, and it keeps my lips moisturized for like 4 to 5 hours a day, and that's like a lot, and my lips just feel so delicious and juicy throughout. So it also comes in 2 different fragrances and 2 different colors. So I have the Candy Melts in Melon. So this is a watermelon fragranced lip balm, which is again like really yummy, and I have heard really good things about it, but I stocked it pehle se, so that मुझे ऐसे वापस जाके खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़े. And this is Berry Feast. So I have these 2, and both of these are so delicious, all 3 of them actually. I mean, look at the packaging, it's so cute, like it's really cute. Like it reminds me of school, of all those like when we used to go out and have those ice creams. It tastes like that. So this one has a pink tint to it, and this one has a purple tint to it, but these 2 are again really cute, very hydrating on the lips. So you should definitely check the link in the description and get yourselves these products, because they're damn nice. Also, did you know this one initiative from Plum, that if you return all of your Plum products to them, like emptied Plum products to them, you get rewards? Like that's insane, and you can save up so much money. So you should definitely check their Empties for Good initiative in the link in the description. You can use this coupon code right here to get 10% off on all of these lip balms. So don't wait, check it out in the description and get your hands on these products. The most important thing we need for this weather is sunscreen. Now I have 2 favorites. First is the Eclats UV Hydra Light sunscreen. Now this is also a sunscreen, like all sunscreens have this white cast. This does have a white cast, but it melts into your skin. It literally just settles in and the white cast is gone. It's very beautiful. It gives you a very nice dewy finish. This is not a mattifying sunscreen, so if you're looking for a mattifying sunscreen, this is not the one for you. This is I personally love this sunscreen on an everyday basis, so I will highly recommend you using this. And if you end up buying anything from Eclat, you can use my code PKB and you will get amazing discounts. The next product is also a sunscreen. So this is the second sunscreen, which is from Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals. Now this is another sunscreen, but this is in a spray form. Okay, so basically it has a pump. And I love sunscreens that have this spray thing, because if you want to put it on your body or somewhere, you can just directly spritz this, and it's just like, it's like this, and then you just moisturize it. Like it's gone in just a second. It's water-like. It is like, it's very water-like, तो इसका आपको ऐसे लगेगा भी नहीं कि आपने फेस पे कुछ लगाया है. That is the best thing about the sunscreen. So if you're someone that likes a very lightweight, very hydrating, water-like consistency वाले sunscreens, ये आपको बहुत पसंद आएगा. Plus it has SPF 30, which is fab. It's really good for the weather. So this is the second product. The next skincare product I have is this. Now this is the Derma Vive Hydra Cleanser. Now I have spoken about this product pehle bhi. Now this literally maintains your pH balance of your skin. Okay, so may that be any season in the year, this is a very like calming, soothing cleanser. If you are just tired from the day and you want to come back, you want to just relax, sit, have a nice time, and you want to wash your face with something that's foamy and that gives you a very beautiful clean face, you want to unclog your pores, you want to get rid of the dirt, this face wash, this Hydra cleanser will do such a fab job. I love this because I love the texture of this. So it has this water-like consistency and it foams up really well. Now this doesn't have any fragrance, any SLS, it doesn't have any parabens, it's free from all of that, and it's very safe to use for all skin types. So this is one product जो जितने मतलब anyone can use this, may that be a guy or girl. If you're looking for a good face wash, go for this because this is really, really nice. Now let's get to the tea, to the most favorite product of my life. I love this product. I love this product so much. So this is the Khadi's Mint and Aloe Vera Gel. Now you know I have raved about this product so much on my channel, and you guys just kept this product going out of stock constantly. Like literally for 6 months this product was out of stock because you guys purchased this so much and you loved this. So the best way I use this, so this is basically like aloe vera gel, how you would apply a normal aloe vera gel on your face. What I do is whenever I shave my face, whenever I wash my face and I'm just at home, और रात को या कभी मुझे सिर्फ कुछ भी नहीं लगाना है मुझे अपने फेस पे, सिर्फ मुझे एक हाइड्रेटिंग फेस मास्क चाहिए जो मैं लगा के सो जाऊँ. ये this is perfect. It's literally aloe vera but it has mint in it, so it makes it very cooling. I don't even remember the number of bottles because I think this must be like the 6th or the 7th bottle that I have finished, and I love it. I love it. This is for all skin types. I use this, the best way to use this is to put it in the fridge, not in the freezer. Put it in the fridge, just keep it there only because it's already so cooling. It feels like you're in heaven. You literally feel so good, so good. So I highly recommend this product if you're someone that loves putting cooling things. Thanda aapko kuch chahiye hota hai, take this, you will be happy and good to go. The next few products I have are for your body and for your hair. So I'm just going to compile everything together because I have like one product for each type. So if you are someone who washes your hair very frequently, one thing that you need is a good dry shampoo. Now I have used many dry shampoos. I've used Batiste, I've used the Unicorn one, I've used so many, and currently I'm obsessing over this product. Now this is from Dove. It's called as the Dry Shampoo Refresh and Revive Without Water. So all you need to do is directly just shake this really well, put it on the parts where you want to like revive and refresh your hair, and just start massaging it, and you will instantly feel like your hair is so much better. It just soaks in all the oil and it makes so much of a difference because garmi mein I sweat on my scalp the most. Like even if I walk I will start sweating and my hair starts becoming so greasy and so sweaty. It's just wet in no time, and this is what comes to my rescue because I can't keep washing my hair every day. So I love this product, definitely worth investing in. The next product I have is for your body. Now it's very important to smell good all the time. Like I am someone who does not like to smell bad ever. I don't like it at all. So this is the Nivea's Pearl and Beauty deodorant. Now perfumes जो होंगे वो इतना maybe long last नहीं करेंगे, and you want something which is very affordable because ये restock करना पड़ता है. So this is a very nice roll on. You just put this on. So I put it on my underarms, I put it over here on the back of my neck, and I put it on my hands. Firstly, it's extremely long lasting. It literally is very long lasting. You won't even feel like you're stinking. Like it just protects you from sweat like nothing else, and it's a genius product. It lasts you for the whole day and you smell like flowers in meadows, and it's just very nice. So if you're someone that has a body odor issue, definitely invest in this. The next product I have is for, again, the people who sweat a lot, the people who have a lot of garmi issues, because this is the summer essentials. This product is from Dermicool. Now this is the Dermicool Prickly Heat Powder, which has menthol. You guys must have understood I love menthol in general, so I love this product. It gives you such a thanda feeling. I put it on my chest, I put it under my arms, I put it on my inner thighs because I want that cooling effect. I want myself to feel as if I'm still in winters even though I'm in summers. So this just takes care of that. So you should definitely buy this. Keep it handy every day. Whenever you're getting out of the shower, use this. You will thank me later because it's such a good product. The last section we have is of makeup. So I'm going to quickly tell you what I use for the summers. So number one is a lip and cheek tint. You want to go in with a lip and cheek tint in place of a matte moisturizer or in place of a matte bullet lipstick or something like that, because this will stay on your cheeks. It will give you a nice flush look, and even if you wear a mask, it won't rip off. Second up, always go in with a dewy makeup setting spray whenever you're out, because if you're putting up makeup, make sure that you always set your face with a setting spray. And this one from NYX is my favorite. It comes in 2 variations, dewy and matte, and I love it. So I literally spritz this on my face. It makes your makeup transfer proof, it makes your makeup extremely long lasting, and it doesn't transfer on your mask. The next product I have is this. Now this is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, which is absolutely genius. I love this product, you know it, I've made a video about it. So this product for the summers is perfect, because when you're sweating, when you're all like annoyed, you smudge your eyes and you want a waterproof mascara, this is going to give you that. It's a waterproof mascara, it's extremely voluminous, love this. And the last thing you need for the summers, for this lockdown, is a nice liquid matte lipstick. So I have a few favorite liquid lipsticks. I will put everything in the description, but make sure that you use a liquid lipstick in place of a bullet lipstick, so that you don't transfer your makeup and you don't, like, you know, smudge your lipstick here and there, and this will just keep everything intact. And that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.